boat's all backed up over there. Here comes the next one. The pontoon. Nice boat. Okay, did a pretty good job docking. Boom, boom, boom. There's that one. He's gone. He's out of the way. Here comes another one wanting to get in and go fishing. Boat's over there sitting there doing nothing. Oh, must be waiting for the trailer. Grandpa must have went to go get the trailer. He walks with a cane. They don't look like Grandpa. Got his boat in there real quick. Boom, boom, boom. I'm in. There's a motor on that sucker too. Must be by himself. Comes another truck waiting. Knucklehead right behind them. Hey, don't follow that truck with a trailer on it, you dumbass. He's trying to get his boat out. Let me just drive around over here with no no boat, no trailer. I'm just gonna plug up the whole kit and caboodle. Because I'm curious. There you go. Let me drive over here and mess you guys all up. Oh, almost had an accident there. The truck almost hit the other trailer. Back. Ooh, you're over here on this side. Sitting over there with this truck in the water. You gonna put a boat on that trailer, or you guys just gonna, you know, hang out? Take up the whole dock. No, knucklehead over here, you gotta turn his boat around. After a long day of not catching a damn fish. What's he called? What's a sunburn? And they're saying, come on, man, get out of the way. You want to get out too. Oh, lady's got hunger pains. I can't get out of here and get her fed. She won't eat no raw fish. This other guy says, I'm gonna cut in line. The heck with all of yous. You guys don't want to get out, I'm getting out. Oh, the boat's pulling over. Say, hey man, did you see us over here? I know you did. You was behind us back there. They must be friends. Otherwise, they'd be duking it out. You cut in front of me. Come on, get that boat out of the water. Coming up the works, mister. Oh, you can't, because Knucklehead's pulling up with his trailer. Because he thinks he owns the docks. I guess somebody in there driving it don't know how to drive it. Let me try it a third time. Maybe that'll work. Got your stuff together. Boom, boom,
Look at
boom.
that motor.
I know, that's sweet. He was in, boom.
I like the dual motors on that one on the left too.
That's nice.
Can't even see the motor in the middle. I want to see the power.
Back up that trailer. Come on now. Come on now. Are you afraid? He's afraid of the other truck pulling out. He's gonna hit me. I can't pull over there. Sure is busy. Coming in, going out. Coming in, going out. Get my boat out of the water. Get my boat in the water. Focus, focus. There's this guy coming around with his truck and his trailer. Which one's he going to? I don't know, but he can't get in there because this guy's got the whole works all gummed up.
Give it some gas.
Come on, put it on that trailer.
Push, push. Get in the water and push.
I think I got it, Paul. People want the boats out of the water. Come on, get them trailers up there. Back her up, back her up.
The tide is high.
Yeah. Ain't no excuse.
Because you get trapped if the tide's low and you can't get out.
Yeah, it gets pretty slippery then. Your boat starts going backwards and your truck starts going backwards, and next thing you know, your truck becomes a submarine.
I was so surprised when I seen that one.
Whoa, he missed the whole thing altogether.
I was so surprised when I seen that one that was in the middle of like nowhere, and it couldn't get to the dock because the tide had taken out so much water.
Right.
They had to wait for the tide to rise for it to get out.
Make it tight. Get at least some room for the boat, man. Got some room for the boat. The big one's gone. There she goes. I can take her up, strap her down. People over here. That boat ain't fired. Get that trailer in the water there, buddy. What are you afraid of? The truck ain't got enough gumption to get up that hill? Shouldn't be fishing. Shouldn't be boating. You stay your ass back home at the barbecue grill. Get everything ready for everybody else when they come back. 'Cause you can't drive. Person's in here. I wish somebody would come and pick up my boat. Where'd they go? And this guy over here trying to get behind the trees, hiding over there with his pontoon. Boom, boom. You ain't waste no time. Got it on, get it out. He's gone. Beep beep. Here comes another boat. Here comes another trailer. Uh-oh, gonna hit him, hit him. I can't see that coming backwards, why would I? I just had my eye operation done. Pontoon Sally, what are you doing? Don't strap her down there. Boat's not on there, right? Put it back in the water, dude. This guy, I don't even know if he knows how to back up. Having a heck of a time. Can he do it without getting hit by another truck or a passenger? There, that's as far as I'm going. Get it on here now. These kids don't know how to operate a boat. They can't do diddly. Besides calling Dad a bunch of headache. Other one's almost up there. Get on, get it going. But.
I like how those engines came out nice and clean.
Mm-hmm. Come on, son, get that boat over here, you saying. Come on, you know how to operate that boat. What's wrong with you? Done schooled you better than that. Why am I standing here? Should have this thing loaded by now. There goes the pontoon. Doo-doo. Next. Next. Any more backed up? No. No more. They're all gone. Everybody's gone. Shaking hands, saying thanks for fishing. Thanks for taking us along. Everybody got
a bone? Blue, you want one?
And
Bone?
here we go. Gonna get that boat on the water. They're trying to do it without. What are they trying to do? Figure out this here crowd here. What are they trying to do? You got it latched. Just hang on. I'm going out of here. Trailer's too far in the water. There we go. Putt.
Ah.
See?
See what?
I got it out of the water. Bang. Another crowd go on to their vehicle. And the boating excursion is over. Come back again tomorrow. Keep sailing.